What are the requirements for making free international video calls on WhatsApp?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to make free international video calls on WhatsApp. But before we dive in, it's important to note that we need to fulfill a few requirements to make this possible. So, let's break it down.
What is WhatsApp?
WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that offers a host of features including text messaging, voice calls, and yes, you guessed it, video calls. This application allows you to communicate with your contacts across the globe, as long as both parties have the app installed on their devices.
What are the requirements?
There are three main things you'll need to make free international video calls on WhatsApp. 1. A smartphone or computer. First, you need a device that can run WhatsApp. This could be a smartphone or a computer. WhatsApp supports Android, iOS, and Windows devices, as well as Mac and Windows desktop operating systems. 2. WhatsApp application. Next, you'll need to have the WhatsApp application installed on your device. You can download it from your device's app store. It's free to download and use. 3. Internet connection. The last requirement is perhaps the most important, an active internet connection. WhatsApp video calls work over the internet, not the cellular network, so you need to be connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Remember, international video calls on WhatsApp are free, but they do use data. So, if you're using mobile data, keep an eye on your data usage, especially if you're on a limited data plan.
How to make international video calls?
Now that we've covered the requirements, here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to make an international video call. 1. Open the WhatsApp application on your device. 2. Find and select the contact you want to call. 3. Tap on the video call icon to start the call. Tip: make sure the person you're calling also meets all these requirements. They must have WhatsApp installed and an active internet connection to receive your video call. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to make free international video calls on WhatsApp. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll be able to stay connected with your friends and family around the globe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.